Good morning, everyone. This is West Island Carpet Cleaning. Here we are in the basement. We're going to be attempting to actually clean all of this out here. This was probably plant, so organic stain. So we're going to do the best to remove that out. And we got the whole basement to do. All this area here, all the way down there, and the steps. So the advantage to our cleaning method is that basically it dries within 1.5 to 2 hours at most. And from there you are able to walk on your carpet and enjoy a nice fresh clean carpet. We use plant-based product, green product 100%. And if you have any trouble with urine from your pets, we can solve the issues. West Island Carpet Cleaning, 514-772-2073.